When we talk about fat loss and overall health, one of the most powerful levers we can pull is when we eat, not just what we eat. Neuroscience and biology show that fasting and time-restricted eating impact our hormones, metabolism, and brain function in profound ways. By aligning our eating window with our circadian rhythm, we can enhance fat oxidation, stabilize energy levels, and improve focus. Fasting triggers cellular repair processes, reduces inflammation, and influences dopamine systems that regulate motivation and discipline. This isn't about extreme restriction. It's about understanding how your body and brain are wired to perform better when you eat at the right times. Fasting is not just about skipping meals. It's deeply connected to our circadian rhythm, the internal clock that governs when our body functions best. Eating late into the night disrupts this rhythm, leading to poor metabolic health, while consolidating food intake during daylight hours aligns with natural hormone release, digestion, and energy use. When fasting is practiced in sync with circadian biology, the body becomes more efficient at managing energy stores, reducing fat accumulation, and utilizing fuel more effectively. This timing allows metabolism to function at its peak, optimizing nutrient absorption while preventing the sluggishness and metabolic strain caused by irregular eating patterns. By respecting this natural rhythm, fasting enhances fat loss and energy balance through mechanisms our biology has evolved to support. Time-restricted eating is powerful because it stabilizes energy throughout the day and improves fat oxidation, allowing the body to shift from constant glucose burning to utilizing stored fat as a reliable energy source. When food is consumed within a defined window, insulin spikes are reduced, creating longer periods where fat stores are mobilized. This metabolic switch provides a steady stream of energy without the crashes associated with frequent snacking or irregular eating. Studies show that time-restricted eating enhances mitochondrial efficiency, meaning the cells can produce energy more effectively while reducing oxidative stress. By creating predictability and energy availability, the brain and body work in harmony, improving stamina, reducing fatigue, and building resilience against metabolic diseases that stem from erratic energy use. Fasting is one of the strongest triggers of autophagy, the cellular process of cleaning up damaged proteins, organelles, and toxins. This mechanism is crucial for slowing aging, reducing risk of chronic disease, and keeping cells functioning at their best. During periods without food, the body shifts into repair mode rather than growth mode, allowing time to recycle cellular debris and strengthen resilience. Autophagy reduces inflammation, supports the immune system, and enhances overall metabolic health. This cellular cleanup not only helps improve fat loss by optimizing energy expenditure, but also creates a healthier internal environment where every organ system performs more efficiently. Activating autophagy through fasting represents a natural, powerful way to rejuvenate cells, repair damage, and maintain long-term health. One of the most profound effects of fasting lies in its ability to rebalance hormones that regulate metabolism and body composition. Insulin sensitivity improves significantly, meaning the body becomes more efficient at utilizing glucose and storing less fat. At the same time, fasting elevates levels of growth hormone, which preserves lean muscle mass while promoting fat burning. This hormonal environment creates an ideal balance where the body prioritizes fat loss without compromising strength and muscle. Cortisol, the stress hormone, also stabilizes when eating windows are consistent, leading to reduced cravings and better control over energy levels. By supporting optimal hormone regulation, fasting creates the conditions for sustainable weight management and overall metabolic health, strengthening both body composition and long-term vitality. The effects of fasting extend to the brain, where it promotes sharper focus, improved mental clarity, and more efficient neurotransmitter function. When the body isn't constantly processing food, the brain benefits from stabilized energy levels and reduced inflammation, leading to improved mood and cognitive performance. Fasting also regulates dopamine pathways, increasing motivation and drive by reducing overstimulation from constant eating. The result is a more balanced reward system, making it easier to sustain discipline and focus on meaningful tasks. Additionally, fasting elevates brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports learning, memory, and neural plasticity. By lowering inflammation and boosting neurochemistry, fasting not only enhances physical health, but also optimizes the brain for sharper attention, clearer thinking, and long-term resilience. Sustainability is key when it comes to fasting and time-restricted eating, and one of the greatest benefits is how it strengthens discipline and long-term health without the need for extreme dieting. By establishing a consistent eating window, individuals create a simple framework that is easier to follow than complex diets or calorie counting. Over time, this habit builds mental toughness, enhances self-control, and reinforces a healthier relationship with food. The predictability of eating times reduces decision fatigue and helps regulate appetite naturally. More importantly, this consistency produces long-lasting improvements in metabolic health, cardiovascular function, and body composition. With discipline reinforced daily, fasting becomes not just a short-term strategy, but a sustainable lifestyle that supports fat loss, performance, and overall well-being.